Hi there, welcome back to a Fit Minute with Mary. I'm Mary Hoadley, Director of the Wellness Center at North Country Hospital, but I'm also a group fitness instructor and personal trainer. Spring is, well, almost in the air, and it might have you thinking spring cleaning. So before you get stressed out, just know you're gonna get a great workout. Folding and putting away laundry can burn up to 78 calories an hour. Vacuuming your house, 180 calories an hour, and washing your windows for an hour can burn over 330 calories. So put that all together, and that's about the same as a 5-mile walk or run. Pretty great, huh? So don't sweat the spring cleaning. Think of it as a great workout, and get it in ahead of time so when spring finally gets here, we can all get outside. Thanks so much, and check back in next week for our next Fit Tip.